Recording? Okay, so we were discussing this exercise 12, and we have covered till question number 13, right? So today we will start from question number 14. So, all of you were attending the class or not?
Yes.
But you were not sending any work? Huh? You were sending that. Okay. So basically, I'm just recalling some concept of this chapter. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this whole chapter is based on that only theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the base and the altitudes, right? So all things just based on this theorem. This is your right triangle. This is the hypotenuse. This is your base, and this is perpendicular. So according to PGT, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular, or we can say altitudes. Okay. So this we have proved this theorem. So two methods I told to prove. One is that in your book, according to that, and one was that is from the concept of similar triangles. By both methods we have proved this. So in your exam, this must be asked that state and prove the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So you must remember these things. Okay. Try to prove this as I told you. Okay. Any problem you can ask. So now see question number 14. In figure first given below. First you draw this figure. In figure first given below, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equals to 13 centimeter. So mark this. AD is 13 centimeter. Okay, DC is equals to 12. This is DC, 12 centimeter. And BC is 3 centimeter. This is BC. Here to here this is 3 centimeter. And angle ABD equals to BCD equals to 90. These both are 90. So calculate the length of AB. So we have to calculate this AB.
First we have to calculate BD.
This one we have to calculate, right? So what we will do?
Okay. You find BD, then you find.
First you can find this. Okay. This is the.
144.
What is this? This is base perpendicular. So we can find this hypotenuse of this triangle, and in this triangle, this is the base. Okay. So we can find this also. So let's see in this triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, BD is the hypotenuse. For that, BD square is equals to CD or DC, we can say square plus BC square. So this will be 12 square plus 3 square. So 144 plus 9. So it will be 153. So this is the BD square. Okay. So now from this triangle, in triangle BDA, AD square is equals to BD square plus AB square. So BD square we have already calculated. It is 153. AB is? Huh? AB is not given?
AB is not given.
Achha, sorry. This is the AD square to 13, right? And this we have to find here in this. So this is 169 equals to 153 plus AB square. So you can subtract this. AB square. So this is 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 116 equals to AB square. So under root 16 will be AB. Then AB is equals to 4, right? So this we have calculated equals to 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, now like this, see the second part of this. See part B. In figure, first draw the figure given here. This is also a quadrilateral. So part B, given below ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB equals to AD. These both sides are equal. It has been marked by this. Both are equal. And angle A is equals to 90 degree. This is angle A, it's forming a 90 degree. Okay. Is also equals to angle C. These both are 90 angles. BC equals to 8 centimeter. This is BC. This is 8 centimeter given. Then find AB and calculate the area of triangle ABD. First we have to calculate